of the seven colors.
First stop going to be
Captain.
Pirates. Alright, so then we can see like 5 to 4.
Pirates Canal. The Pirates Canal, that sinking restaurant in the shape of ship.
Left and right, you see the different colors.
Yeah. Allá sí.
Little lagoon, they call it Mariscal.
Oh.
Has 25 meters deep. And over there you can feel the salty water. This is the torch. This is the torch over here.
Ah, esta es la antorcha.
Esta es la antorcha.
Mhm.
Ah, sí, okay.
Me da cosquillas en las patitas.
Sí. Estamos en Canal de Piratas.
Para aventar otra piedra. La vez, o sea, la próxima, vamos a ir hasta allá.
Esta misma experiencia en Colombia estaba con mucho sargazo y todo eso. Aquí mira.
Mira, esta
Aquí,
experiencia la puedes vivir en México.
Solo en México, no Colombia, ni otro lado. Come to Mexico, bro. Vamos a terrenear aquí Lorita y yo.
Graba esto.
Voy a
Está
llevar.
prohibido el uso de mascarilla de la arena.
From white waters to completely turquoise blue waters. Now it's a little bit more deep. You can see. Going to Cenote Negro.
Black cenote. Over the channel, that cenote. Trying to figure out how deep is that cenote. They send a laser, but the laser couldn't read how deep is that one. They only went like 1,000. The laser only read 150 because this cenote has a lot of river subterranean. We don't know where they're coming from. They connected with the other cenote from Merida. So it has a lot of current. So whenever they send laser, they try to figure out how deep is that one, but they couldn't find out. They only found out like it's 150. Water. See, on your right and your left and right, on both sides you can see the edge of the cenote.
Yeah.
You can see over here.
Yeah.
This side.
Yeah. This is the edge.
I see green.
Yeah, but suddenly it will go black. Like right there is the fall. You see? You see? Right here is the fall.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is a steep fall. Like direct steep fall.
That's the separate.
Yeah, exactly. No, we were here on top of the water on a paddle board and it was much more scarier.
Red and white. No, it's made by rock.
Ah. It's made of rock, but where is it? Where is it? Ah, that one.
Ah, ya.
Bruja!
Ah, sí es cierto.
That's the house of the...
Coming out of Cenote Negro. Sí.
Isla de los Pájaros. Island of the Birds.
Ah, there. Island of the Birds.
Here, alright, so we can see the sunset. Over there, we're gonna park over there. So now we're going to the Esmeralda Cenote, and then Cocalito Cenote, and then we're gonna park over there to swim.
Ah,
Maybe you
okay.
can see catfish over there too. You see the people that are standing up in the top, the red roof. That's Chinese house. That's a hostel.
Ah.
All right. Next one, it's a Arab house. Now they convert into hotel
Ah.
because so that's an Arab house.
El que vi
The
fue
next one,
la casa árabe
it's a
y el
American
resto de la
house.
esquina. Son las que ven
That's an Airbnb.
Hotel Esmeralda. Esmeralda.
Casa china. La casa china es casa árabe. No, this is un Airbnb. That's the rocks right there in the front. On the edge of the water.
Okay. These are the rocks that clean the lagoon, no?
Y mire que estaba ligero.
Cenote Cocalitos.
No me hubiera ido, allá viéramos.
Island of the Birds. Nino, Nino.
La de los pájaros.
Island of the Birds. Island of the Birds. Isla de los Pájaros. Going to the Island of Birds to what? To terrenear.
Forever Young.
Este se lo paso. Lo pueden dar con la piña.
Ajá.
En el medio. Un poquito más para acá.
Espera, esta es Manova.
Un poquito más para acá.
Cuidado, se mueve mucho.